You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my own personal experiences with LendingClub. LendingClub, a comprehensive business loan review. LendingClub has become a go-to platform for business loans, providing customized financing solutions for small and medium-sized enterprises. Renowned for its peer-to-peer lending approach and user-friendly application, LendingClub presents an attractive option for entrepreneurs seeking competitive interest rates and adaptable loan terms. A key strength of LendingClub lies in its term loan offerings, ranging from $5,000 all the way up to $500,000. These loans cater to a diverse array of business needs, encompassing working capital, debt consolidation, and expansion initiatives. Repayment schedules are flexible, spanning from 1 to 5 years, enabling businesses to select a timeframe that aligns with their cash flow realities. Interest rates remain competitive, particularly for applicants boasting strong credit histories and solid financial performance. The application process itself is streamlined and efficient, allowing completion online within minutes. Importantly, pre-qualification does not impact your credit score. LendingClub conducts a thorough assessment of your business's financial health and creditworthiness, typically delivering a decision within 24 hours. Upon approval, funds are generally disbursed within a few business days, providing timely access to capital for businesses requiring rapid funding. Transparency is another area where LendingClub shines. The platform offers clear and upfront information regarding loan terms, interest rates, and associated fees. There are no hidden surprises, and borrowers can thoroughly examine all conditions before committing to a loan. This level of transparency is crucial, especially for small businesses operating with limited budgets. Potential borrowers should be aware of LendingClub's eligibility criteria. Generally, applicants require a minimum of 12 months in operation, $50,000 in annual revenue, and a personal credit score of 600 or higher. While these requirements are standard, newer businesses or those with lower revenue streams may need to consider alternative financing options. LendingClub's flexible repayment framework further enhances its appeal. Fixed monthly payments simplify budgeting, and the absence of prepayment penalties allows businesses to reduce interest costs by settling loans early. In summary, LendingClub offers a compelling solution for business owners seeking accessible, transparent funding characterized by competitive interest rates and adaptable repayment terms. It proves particularly beneficial for established small businesses with consistent revenue and decent to excellent credit ratings. Explore the links in the description to delve deeper into LendingClub and determine if it aligns with your specific financing requirements. This review aims to equip you with the necessary information to decide whether LendingClub is the right partner for achieving your business objectives.